morning everyone and welcome to week 39 of pregnancy. I literally have 5 days until my due date, but sure, due dates are not like relevant really because the baby will come whenever he or she wants to. I don't know what I'm going to do today. I'm kind of at like a loss. I have a couple of things left to get for the baby, so I might just go and do them things today. They're not major things, I can do without them, but I just kind of wanted to pick them up. Paddy's gone to his house to pick up the baby's buggy and this little sleeper thing that we have as well. My mum got her first vaccine yesterday, which is very exciting, and I was just talking to Damien today and he is getting his second one on Saturday, so it's great. They're like rolling out the vaccines here in Ireland, and they also said they're going to start lifting restrictions around the 10th of May, which is a week after my baby's due date. Everything's like surrounding my baby's due date, but anyway, and they're going to start lifting restrictions, which is great, and you can start like visiting people in their houses and stuff if you're vaccinated. My dad is still building the deck in, and I think the deck is going to be here at the end of May, so he's going to like fit all that in, which is great. The weather over the last 3 days has just been unreal. I'm gonna make myself some porridge this morning with some bananas and cinnamon. I'm gonna watch Girls. I started watching Girls again. I don't know, does anyone ever watch that? It's like a HBO TV show. I used to watch it years and years and years ago, like whenever it was on TV, and I think I had like the box sets of them as well, but I just started watching it again. I'm really up to date with Call the Midwife. I have the new season ready to go, which I think I'll watch once the baby's here because I really enjoy that program, so I said I would watch Girls, but for now I'm just gonna make breakfast. And I am not weighing porridge, I'm just going to pour in as much as possible, and I'm starving this morning. Pop it into the microwave. 2 minutes should be enough, hopefully. I take my supplements as well this morning, my prenatals, my iron and my multivitamin. Yum! It's good, so I'm going to add in a banana. And now we'll add in a bit of cinnamon. I hate this cinnamon jar thing because the holes are too big in it. So you have to be really careful with the amount of cinnamon you put in, because I've had issues where way too much of it has come out. Yummy! So excited for this breakfast. Give you guys a little shot of the 39-week bump. Look how huge it's gotten. So big. Not long left now. I'm going to return a package to ASOS. I knew there was like another job I needed to do, and I have to go to, I think it's my local Spar. It's Parcel Connect. So I bought a couple of stuff from the Collusion range on ASOS, which I really like. It's a unisex range, but they have the most amazing t-shirts and stuff. Oh, I need to get these on. I have 90 kilometers and that should last me a bit. Wow, these glasses are filthy. ASOS are unisex and they always have really nice t-shirts, but they're obviously a little bit on the larger side because they're men's as well. So I picked up a t-shirt that was extra small and a size 8, and I tried it on and it's like a dress on me, and I'm pregnant, like I'm like full term pregnant. So I went and ordered smaller sizes and they arrived and they're perfect. So I just want to return this top, and I only have a few more weeks of wearing maternity clothes, so they were a lifesaver. I was going out the door and Mum was like, will I come with you? Do you need me to come with you? I was like, no, I'll be fine. Oh, look at the little kitten. She looks like Angel. She has a little bell. Anyway, no, I'd be fine. I was like, don't be worried, I'll be grand. But I know what it is like. It's quite hard now walking around. I do get out of breath really easily, and I am struggling like with the walking around, but sure, look, be fine. I'm getting a bit hungry. I don't want a Subway today. I had a Caesar salad yesterday. It was absolutely gorgeous. It was the ones from Lidl. They're just kind of like pre-made ones, so I think I might pick up another one of them today. I really enjoyed it yesterday. Just had like everything in it that I wanted. I know like the baby will be here shortly, but I'm really enjoying the maternity pants from Dunn's, or maternity leggings, and they're really nice stretchy material. So I think I might just buy another pair, because I don't know how pregnant, I'm going to look after the baby's born. They say you go back to like 26 weeks. They're definitely still going to be really, really comfy. I'm going to Home Savers. I really want to get some bath bombs. I seen a video on TikTok of a girl who bought like loads of different bath bombs from Home Savers, or from B&M. It's called Home Savers in Ireland. I keep calling it that, but B&M. She bought a ton of different bath bombs and they looked really nice, and they had like these little squishy little toys inside them, like bath toys. So I was like, I'm gonna get myself a bath bomb. I've used up all my Lush bath bombs. I've not one left. I'm not a big bath person. I much prefer being in the shower. Since I've been pregnant, I actually do quite enjoy a nice bath. Like I find it really relaxing, and I just put on like my music, or I'll listen to a podcast, and then I just like have all my little scents and stuff. I'll get some Epsom salts as well when I'm up there as well. And I think Barbados, can never say that. It's like a bubble bath, but apparently it's supposed to be really good after you give birth if you want to have a bath. I got this really cute caddy thing from Amazon for the baby's nappies and a pseudocreme. Actually, I need to get a second pseudocreme when I'm in Home Savers. Pseudocreme in it. You can put nappy bags in it. I'm gonna get more kind of things to put into the nappy caddy. I hope that it will last, because my mum has said just to be super organized, so I'm going to try and be as organized as possible. I'm not the most organized person. I've kind of explained that as well before, you guys know that, and I never plan things, so I really need to get organized and planning and get into routines. So it's going to be a little bit of a life adaptation for me, because it's not something I'm used to. Film a little TikTok maybe for you guys just to show you what I got in Home Savers, because I know I probably won't be getting loads of things, but I'll leave that up on my TikTok. I'll film that today and you can check it out. I'm just so excited. I can't believe like any day now like this baby's gonna be here. It's just crazy. It doesn't feel real. I keep thinking like I know I'm pregnant, but after pregnancy I just feel like, all right, that's it then, that's life back to normal the way it was before. But like I have like a baby, and it's just crazy, like Paddy and I's little baby, our little human that we made, and I just it's so weird that like there's gonna be this person in my life for the rest of my life, like forever. Like that's so nuts. Like, and they're never gonna not be in my life. Like it's probably one of the most important people to me after my parents. Like how nuts is that? We're nearly at Home Savers now, so I will chat to you when I'm out. Guys, I found this dupe here in Home Savers and it smells just like the Victor and Rolf. I found Victoria's Secret, loads of copies of perfume. It was a bit disappointing in there. I didn't really get that many things, but I did manage to pick up this perfume. I'll have the rest of it up on my TikTok, what I did get. They didn't have any bath bombs. I did manage to get one, but it's not great to be fair. But I picked up this, and it is the Bedazzled Sprinkle Brightener. It's an eau de toilette, and it smells just like the Victor and Rolf Flower Bomb, which is one of my favorite perfumes. But this costs like $3.99 and I just couldn't resist it. Like I never really buy these kind of perfumes, and I have Victor and Rolf in Paddy's house, but I don't have one in my house, so I thought maybe like I'll just get like a cheapy version of it. Oh my god, like how is this real? Like it smells exactly the same. And I've worn Victor and Rolf Flower Bomb for, I don't know, like 8 years, maybe 9 years, and it like is identical. So yeah, if you want yourself like a dupe of it, go get you some. And they'd like Marc Jacobs Daisy dupes and like other different perfume ones. I think I'll try and like find out what the dupes are of all of them, and I'll put it up on TikTok or something like that. So many, but only $3.99. And then I got some sweets. I'll just show you like one more thing, and then the rest will be on my TikTok. So I got the Diva 30-Day Brow Tint. Now this comes in a dark brown, which is the best colour for me. It didn't come in any other colours, but I'm lucky that my eyebrows are dark brown. I haven't had my eyebrows done in months, but maybe this might do something. So it was only $5.99. I just said like I pick it up and give it a go and see what it's like. It lasts up to 16 applications, minimum effort, maximum impact, fashion for brows. I've never seen this before, but you know, I'll give it a go. And my battery's flashing. Why does this happen every time I get into the car? I'm very much out of breath. I'm just gonna put my seatbelt on over my bag, which everybody gets really like annoyed over. They're like, take your bag off, how can you sit there with your bag on? And my seatbelt's always twisted, but sure, look. Hey ho! What are you up to? Rolling around. What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh, you're such a good boy. Yes, you are the best boy. The best boy in the whole world. Oh, he's on the bed now. Hello. I just came up here to get the hot water bottle. I have a little bit of pain in my back. How fun. I have a teeny bit of back pain. It's not like really bad, but it's just uncomfortable. So I just made a hot water bottle and I'm just going to stick it onto my back so I can, well, I didn't make it. I boiled the kettle. So I come up here to get my hot water bottle. And Chewy's just chilling there. That's where he's just going to be for the rest of the day. I'm going to make another cup of my raspberry leaf tea. Really enjoying this. It's really nice. A lot of people said that it tastes horrible, but I actually love it. But I'm big into tea, like herbal teas and regular tea anyway. Yummy. Sorry guys, I completely forgot to like end the vlog or continue vlogging for the rest of the day. I had a lovely dinner this evening of salmon and rice and broccoli. It was just really, really yummy. I should show you what I did with the little caddy when I picked up the pseudocreme and Caldacine. I just put it into my little nappy diaper caddy thing. It's a diaper caddy. If you type it in on Amazon, it should come up. So I have this all ready to go. It has these little handles on it, and I just filled it full of the nappies and then muslin cloths, some bibs, wipes, and then I put the pseudocreme in there and then the Caldacine that I picked up earlier. So I don't know what else I need in this, probably like nappy bags or something, and then I'll throw in another few baby essential bits, maybe like baby grow or something like that, or a vest or something if I need it. But I'm so happy with this. So it's all packed and ready for the baby's arrival. Okay guys, I'm gonna go and take off my makeup and get into bed. Actually, this makeup's pretty much taken itself off today. Exhausted, and my mum made me a hot water bottle just to put on my back because my lower back is starting to throb a little bit. I don't know if it's from walking around a lot today. Did a lot of walking or standing or something, so I'm looking forward to climbing into bed and having a good night's sleep. So hope you guys have a great day, and I will talk to you all in my next vlog. And I'm hoping that my next vlog, by the time I film it, it would be the last vlog before the baby's here, because I am so ready to meet this little person. I cannot wait. I love you guys so much, and I'll talk to you very soon. Mwah. Night night.